Hi, today we are going to learn how to create a restore point in Windows 10. First, in the search bar on taskbar, search for create a restore point. Now click on open. It will bring this window. You will find create button under the configure button. Click on create. Type a description for creating the restore point. It will help you to find which restore point you created. I'm gonna type test purpose. Now click on create. It will take some time. Wait until it finished. After finishing the process, a window will come and show the restore point was created successfully. Click the close button and OK button. Your restore point was created. Thanks for watching.